All right, we've got a line of strong or severe storms headed toward central Florida starting tomorrow, and this rain could be welcome relief from the dry few weeks that we've had. Many of our local counties are seeing moderate to high fire danger. First warning meteorologist Marquise Mita is joining us right now with the latest on our forecast and these big changes. Marquise.
Luana, we have been brittle, dry, barren all throughout the month of April, but May, it's a different story. We're starting off with a bang as we saw isolated showers today and severe weather that's going to increase throughout the afternoon. The threat of it, in which it includes damaging winds, flooding potential, hail, and even tornadoes. We were just watching that frontal boundary. Here it is once again. You see it moving across the Gulf Coast. That system of low pressure, though, well to the north, but we have spawned severe thunderstorms across the southeast and also tornado warnings. So that's what my concern is for tomorrow if the energy does hold up. Also here in Central Florida, we do have some isolated showers still to our south as we do kick off the evening here surrounding the I-4 corridor out towards Apopka and Ocoee. Here are the isolated showers slowly inching up towards the north. South of this, though, in Kenansville and Osceola County, you guys have seen a couple isolated conditions here and there, but let's move north. This is where the frontal boundary lies, moving across central Georgia right now. And you see just outside of Macon, that's the tornado warning. And this is what could potentially be heading our way. I'll track the frontal boundary and its movement hour by hour, county by county, coming up next time I see you.
One man